I came from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. I'm going to Louisiana, my true love for to see. It rained all night the day I left, the weather it was dry. The sun so hot I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I've come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I've come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. I had a dream the other night when everything was still. I thought I saw Susanna coming down the hill, and the buckwheat cake were in her mouth, the tear were in her eye. Says he's coming from the south, Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I've come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I've come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. I'd soon be in New Orleans, and then I look around, and when I found Susanna, I fall upon the ground. But if I do not find her, this man I surely die. And when I'm dead and buried, Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I've come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I've come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee.
Gone are the days when my heart was young and gay. Gone are my friends from the cotton fields away. Gone from the earth to a better land I know. I hear the gentle voices calling old Black Joe. I'm coming, for my head is bending low. I hear the gentle voices calling old Black Joe. Why do I weep when my heart should feel no pain? Why do I sigh that my friends come not again? Grieving for folks now departed long ago, I hear the gentle voices calling old Black Joe. I'm coming, for my head is bending low. I hear the gentle voices calling old Black Joe. So happy and so free, the children so dear that I held upon my knee. Gone to the shore where my soul has longed to go, I hear the gentle voices calling old Black Joe. I'm coming, for my head is bending low. I hear the gentle voices calling old Black Joe. I'm coming, for my head is bending low. I hear the gentle voices calling old
life's pleasures and count its many tears, while we all sup sorrow with the poor. And there's a song that will linger forever in our ears, oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary, hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door, oh, hard times come again no more. While we seek mirth and beauty and music light and gay, there are frail forms fainting at the door. Though their voices are silent, their pleading looks will say, oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary, hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door, oh, hard times come again no more. And as a pale drooping maiden who toils her life away with a worn heart whose better days are old, though her voice would be merry, 'tis sighing all the day, oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary, hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door, oh, hard times come again no more. Sigh that is wafted across the troubled waves, 'tis the wail that is heard upon the shore. 'Tis the dirge that is murmured along the lonely grave, oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis the song, the sigh of the weary, hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door, oh, hard times come again no more. Oh,